I'm the voice, and this is a community-produced video for Mac users on the Badcoin wallet for a quick backup. The first thing you want to do is open up Finder, select Go, then go down to either the Command-Shift-G or select Go to Folder. And then once that window pops up, enter ~application_support/ Go back and just make sure you confirm you have that tilde there, otherwise it will not work. Once you've confirmed, go ahead and click Go. Now, you see your Badcoin directory here. Click this and then select Duplicate. It's going to take a few seconds for this to duplicate. Once it's done, rename this to Badcoin Backup. Once you're done with renaming, make sure whatever you do, you move this backup to a secure location, either onto a USB or another hard drive somewhere. Just move it off of this so you have it for later use. And that's all you need to do for a quick backup. Thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this show. If you've got any questions, you may reach out to me on Telegram as The Voice. If you like the show, of course, please like and subscribe. Also, visit with us on badcoin.net, also in Telegram and Discord.